sebetsa lona wa nna ikgethetse ho sebetsa lona.
Hello everyone, I'm kidding, and welcome to my channel. So this past Saturday was a big football day in South Africa with the Soweto derby taking place at FNB Stadium. The EFF leader Julius Malema took his wife Mandwa and their children to witness Orlando Pirates' 3-0 victory against Kaizer Chiefs in the flesh. Two boys were wearing Orlando Pirates jerseys and the adults wearing black and white, clearly supporting Orlando Pirates with their hand gestures. As a Pirates fan, I say they supported the right team. I'm kidding. By the way, once upon a time, there were people that did not eat when the team they supported had lost. Do we still have such people? I digress. Anyway, this appearance and united front at the derby by Julius Malema and his wife Mandwa comes after the blogger Musa Khawula boldly tagged Julius Malema on X a few days ago, saying he mustn't get his people to send him money to shut him up and that he can't hide his divorce forever. Obviously, the divorce news made a huge buzz on social media, so Malema ended up giving an exclusive response to the biggest blog, Maphephandaba, to rubbish divorce reports and claims that his wife had moved out of their matrimonial home. Julius and his wife definitely looked very happy at the Soweto derby, but some say Musa Khawula never lies and that there's no smoke without fire. Apparently, Julius deleted all Mandwa's pictures on Instagram. Well, I say even if Musa Khawula's divorce reports have any truth to them, the couple deserve grace to give their marriage a chance. Many chances said that. I'm just saying nobody gets married to get divorced. So if it means reconnecting over such moments, then so be it. So yeah, there's no smoke without fire. There's probably trouble in paradise, but it seems like the final nail is not in the coffin yet because they're still making appearances together. Someone said they spotted them on Valentine's Day. Realistically, that would mean that they're still trying, right? Anyway, another possibility is that there's a PR machine going on and the guy is just fearful of losing votes in the upcoming elections. But that raises a question of, is his political career that tied down to his marital status? Like, would he genuinely lose votes if he was to divorce? I personally believe South Africans have the lowest of standards when it comes to morals and political or public figures who hold of high esteem. So I highly doubt that Malema's marital status would affect his political career that much. Anyway, morally and maritally, we've had it far worse. We once had a president with 22 children between his ex-wives, Nezincinza. We once had a minister with 19 children with multiple women and one official wife. I'm trying to say, even if Julius Malema was or is having extramarital affairs and is now headed for divorce, there's really no need for any PR machine like making public appearances together and whatnot. It's really not a big deal where his political career is concerned. What do you think?